how to get Steam VR on MetaQuest. So pretty much on an Oculus Quest. So you can go ahead and do the same process since it is pretty much similar. So you have an Oculus Quest 2 or your Oculus Quest 3, but your MetaQuest in general. So what you're gonna do since you wanna play Steam VR games on your Oculus or your MetaQuest, you can go ahead and use a Steam Link option. Once you use the Steam Link option, you should be able to play Steam VR games as so. So to do this, make sure your Steam is already downloaded and installed on your PC. If not, you can go ahead with the process and create your account, log into your account, and make sure your Steam app is running. And also make sure you already have Steam VR downloaded on your account and on your PC, of course. But anyways, once that is all done, you can go ahead and focus on your MetaQuest. So there you're gonna have to go to your Quest store and you can go ahead and search for something like Steam. Once you do that, an app that is called Steam Link will pop out. You're gonna go ahead and choose the get option or go ahead and download the app itself. Open it up and it's gonna show something like this eventually. So it's gonna scan for computers running Steam on the local network. So to avoid more problems, you can go ahead and make sure both your Oculus Quest 2 and your PC is connected to the same internet. So the same Wi-Fi basically. Then once your PC shows up, it's gonna look something like this on the computer selection. There should be a name for your PC, but you can go ahead and choose your PC, of course, and press on connect. Once you press on connect, it's gonna ask for a few permissions. You're gonna go ahead and allow that, and then wait for the connection, and that's pretty much it. Your Steam will now be connected to your Oculus Quest. Then you can just go ahead and open up Steam VR. But that's pretty much how you do this process. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.